Lighting up the way, Valley Electric Association.
Hi, I'm Darby here at Desert Haven Animal Society, and today we are joined with Sadie. Sadie is a 1-year-old cattle-dog mix. She is so sweet and just calm. She would be a really lovely family dog. She gets along with kids and other dogs. She walks really well on a leash, and she's just a cute love. She has beautiful brown eyes, and she's like a reddish color. You should come and see her and all of the animals here at Desert Haven Animal Society. They're on Ceres Lane behind the Nye County Courthouse. You can give them a call at 775-751-7020. You can look them up at deserthavenanimalsociety.org or check them out on Facebook at Desert Haven Animal Society.